Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the file and the tools you'll use. Pick an OCR-aware editor or a redaction utility. Because OCR embeds text layers, make sure to open the file in a program that shows text layers or searchable PDF content. Once done, duplicate the file and work on the copy to avoid corruption. You want to confirm whether text is a layer, vector, or purely raster. This determines whether you'll delete the layer, rasterize, or mask the text. Now move to the removal step. You now remove the text based on its type. If it's a text layer, select and delete it. If it's embedded vectors, convert to outlines and remove nodes. For raster text, rasterize and use content-aware fill or clone stamp to recreate the background. This preserves texture and lighting. Make sure to work in non-destructive layers and zoom to 200% for edge cleanup. Once the visible text is gone, flatten or export a clean raster to prevent OCR from redetecting removable traces. You finish by exporting a flattened file that removes text metadata and hidden layers. Choose PNG/JPEG or a flattened PDF to ensure OCR cannot access a text layer. Once exported, run a quick OCR scan or use accessibility tools to confirm no searchable text exists. Make sure to compare against the original to verify visual fidelity and that no private data remains. If something still appears, re-edit the problematic area. Tip: if redetection occurs, revisit masking with higher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.